Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. But first we have a sponsor. Shout out to Sunber Hair for sponsoring today's video. This is all of the stuff they sent over in their packaging, nice and bright and yellow. So this is the wig that we're going to be wearing today. This is the blunt cut Yaki bob pre-cut wig. The lace on this wig is already cut, so you don't have to worry about that. This is the 7x5 Yaki bob, so you get 7x5 inches of lace in the front. You get a clip in the back, and then you get like an elastic band that is adjustable, so you can add that on to it as well. You can make it as tight as you want. Since you don't have glue, if you want more of a snug fit, you can make it really tight. Well, not too tight, you don't want a headache, but you know, adjust it to your comfort level. So I'm just gonna try it on. All I did was added my lace tinting spray to it. That's all I needed to do, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight on. Look at the hairline. Yeah. So now I'm gonna add my wax stick to the middle part so that we can get it nice and flat and get it laying how we want it to lay.
I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust myself.
And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and flat iron all the hair so that it's, you know, all going in the same motion it was in the bag and everything. So I'm just kind of refreshing it and bringing it back to life. Okay, y'all, so slow motion. Y'all wasn't even expecting that slow motion, was you? Look at that body turn. Yes body. Okay, let me stop. So yeah, y'all, this is the wig. This is the final look. I love the length of this bob, and then when I turn around, you guys will see how nice of a cut it is. So I didn't cut anything, as you saw in the video. I really didn't do much to it at all, so I like how easy the wig was. Like I always say, this wig is very beginner friendly. I mean, y'all see that I don't really be doing much to these wigs, but look at that back. Ooh, that cut. Yeah, so they did a great job on that. So yeah, if you like this wig or any other wig from Sunber Hair, I will have all the links and everything in the description. Thank you, Sunber Hair, for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get into the rest of the vlog.